Nestled within a quiet village valley, this home is designed to feel less like an imposition on the land and more like an extension of it. Inspired by the subtle elegance of nature's contours, the structure embraces the terrain rather than reshaping it. Instead of standing apart from its surroundings, it appears to emerge organically from the earth, its lines soft, its palette natural, and its presence serene. This is architecture in quiet conversation with the land. The home's form is sculpted by the terrain, gently following the slope and curves of the land. Walls are not simply erected but shaped with intent, forming a continuous flow between architecture and topography. As the rooflines descend with the hills, and walls align with existing ridges, the house seems to disappear at moments, camouflaged by its own humility. This seamless integration creates not just a dwelling, but a living element of the landscape itself. Approaching the house, the entry is marked by a shallow, stone-paved path etched into the grassy earth, guiding visitors without disrupting the natural surface. This subtle groove, both visual and tactile, connects the exterior world to the home's interior through a gentle procession. Instead of imposing driveways or stark walkways, the design honors a pedestrian rhythm, slowing the journey down and enhancing the experience of arrival through texture, sound, and movement. The home is divided into two primary volumes, social and private, separated by a narrow courtyard that acts as both a visual break and a point of unity. This tectonic separation enhances function without creating isolation. The courtyard becomes the central breath of the house, a place where shadows dance and breezes move freely. It's both a separation and a connection, encouraging natural light, cross-ventilation, and a daily engagement with the sky above. toward nature, not with grand gestures, but with carefully considered framing. Overhangs shield large panes of glass, drawing attention to trees, hills, and the changing sky. The views are curated to evoke calm and connection. Landscapes become living artwork. This thoughtful alignment of interior and exterior dissolves barriers between inside and out, making nature not just something to look at, but something to live within. Despite its grounded appearance, the house is supported by a quiet backbone of advanced technology designed for comfort. A radiant floor heating and cooling system provides year-round temperature regulation, powered by a highly efficient heat pump. Ceramic flooring accelerates thermal exchange, distributing warmth or coolness evenly. Controlled mechanical ventilation with heat recovery ensures fresh air circulates throughout without losing valuable internal temperatures, making sustainability and comfort indistinguishable from one another. The home leverages passive strategies to reduce its energy footprint. Its elongated orientation optimizes solar gain during cooler months, while deep eaves and adjustable shading devices protect against overheating in the summer. Every window and shading element is positioned with purpose, considering seasonal light paths and wind directions. As a result, the home remains naturally temperate, reducing reliance on active systems and highlighting the intelligence embedded in simplicity. materials chosen reflect a deep respect for local resources and traditional methods. Exterior walls are clad in natural cork panels, renewable, breathable, and thermally efficient. The roof continues the grassy slope of the land, transforming it into a living, breathing surface. A stone courtyard incorporates salvaged granite from an old nearby structure, preserving not just material, but memory. This approach not only enhances longevity and performance but also reinforces the story of place. This house doesn't seek attention, it earns admiration through restraint, connection, and clarity of vision. It shows that architecture need not dominate a landscape to be powerful. By listening to the land, honoring materials, and designing with intention, it becomes something more than a building. It becomes a bridge between human comfort and natural harmony. In this quiet dialogue between form and earth, we are reminded of how deeply architecture can belong.